Hello, welcome to TechEasy. And today we'll see how we can create QR code, that too for free of cost, and that too within less than a minute. Not even a minute, it takes hardly 30 seconds. And I only request you one thing, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful to others. So all that you need to do is open your Chrome browser and visit through qrstuff.com, and this is the website. And what are the types of QR code you can create? You can create for a website URL. For example, this is my website. Okay, I'll copy this link. I just copied this, and see here, visit the website and click on the website URL, and you need to paste here. Yeah, once you copy the website address, you need to click on next step so that you can choose the shape, whatever the shape you want, but I'll fix to this shape is okay. And the third step is you need to click on download as PNG, and immediately this gets downloaded to my computer. What I'll do is I'll just double press on this and open this QR code what we have just created, and on my phone I'll just use any QR scanner and I'll check the results whether it is working or not. Yeah, as I said, I'll test it on my phone. This is on my phone. I'll open Google Lens, and on my laptop there is scanner, so I'll just use the search with camera. And as soon as I scan this QR code on my laptop, see here on my laptop there is a link appeared. I need to tap on this link, and this should leads to techanswer.com, my website URL what I have created the QR code. See here, this is absolutely working fine. TechAnswer is loaded up. Not only for websites, for app downloads also you can create a QR code. So you need to tap on this option, and by default this will be disabled. You need to enable this. For example, if it is a you are a Play Store developer, for Android developer, you have that Android link. What you need to do is under fallback URL you need to give the exact URL of the Play Store and click on next step. When you click on next step, you can choose the shape. Once you are done with that, you can click on download. So once you download, you'll get the QR ready within just in seconds. So in this way, for website URL you can create, for app download you can create, and not only that, but also for UPI payments you can create. Similar, very similar. UPI payments, there is an option here, UPI payments. You need to click on this, and you can enter your name here and the UPI ID and preset amount. For example, if you say $100 or 100 rupees, you can give that. Just enter the UPI ID here and valid UPI ID here and click on next. I'll just give my UPI ID and I'll proceed to next. See here, I have given my UPI ID and clicking on download as PNG. This one also I'll check it on my test it on my phone. I'll open this PNG. Let us check how it works with the Google Lens. I'll just search with the camera. I'll scan this code and I'll touch on this URL which is appeared on this. It is loading up. Yeah, see, this is the QR code what it has shown up. So yeah, if I click on open an app with any of the UPI payment, see here with the available UPI apps I can choose any of the UPI app. See here, this is how you can create QR code. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching.